Hello there. In this video, it's going to be a kind of a guide. I'm going to show you how to, well, basically just clean your screen. I don't know if you see it. I think you don't see it. My camera is really bad. But around this point, yeah, right now you can see it. You see these. You see these scratches, yeah. Now these scratches, like, you might say, oh, it's from like a long time ago. No, this was like kind of recent. It's like a few weeks ago, yeah. And there's also one right here. I don't know, it's a little slightly bigger. I think you cannot see it. It's really hard to focus on it. This camera is really bad. But it's basically like here, and it's like a, oh, you see it right here. And well, when that basically happened because I had some debris on the pen tip nib. That's happened because of the pen nib, and this is like a very dangerous thing for your tablet, because, well, you can have a tiny smidgen. Hold on, I cannot zoom in on this. Jesus. You can have like a tiny thing on your nib. For example, I don't know if you can find out like this. Okay, boom, right here. Okay, I will pick it up. Try to pick it up with the nib. Hopefully I can. Hold on. Okay, boom. I have it on my nib. Okay, you see this? This little thing, this little dust, it can scratch my tablet. If I go like this, it will scratch 100%. So just remember, like when you just leave, to do something, wash the dishes or something, clean your hands, and especially check your pen nibs. And like if not if they're like, I don't know, like shortened or anything, or if they're like kind of sharp, like also that, but like mainly just if they're clean. Because if there's something like just slightly, like I'm telling you, this hair right here, I pick it up with this, and I would draw with it lightly, it would scratch my thing. Look at this thing. Okay, I'm like, look at all these things. There's a lot of dust here. If my pen just is going to be left out here, it's gonna get some dust on it. So just clean it, or always use these donuts things, because look, oh, there, it can go down like there. Look, it doesn't just like, I mean, it hits the ground like maybe, but like, it won't be rolled around like, or like here, like chips, nothing like that. Just keep it here safe, and just, if you don't have these donuts, just like put it somewhere right here and make sure it doesn't fall to the ground. If it falls to the ground, just fucking clean it. Just get it. It's like, just like clean it all the way. Your tablet also needs to be cleaned. So just you pick up the cleaning cloth and you just go like, just like get this fucker and just like, just so make sure that it's fucking like the cleanest motherfucker, and then just look at it, and oh, it's clean, and then just have it like this, squeeze it tightly, and just like, oh fuck, ooh, okay, don't do that. See, dog, that's funny. That's funny. Don't do that. Jesus. Okay, nothing happened. It's funny. So I just go like, just lightly, across. Make sure that everything and every little kind of thing is just gone for, like, gone just for sure. And then after all the speckles are out, just get it again. Just do this. Check it again if anything has fallen from your hair, and just go like, and keep looking if there's anything that would cause a scratch. Now, this could be absolutely anything. Also, when you're when you're over a tablet, preferably stand or like sit and in kind of like this kind of position. You can of course like have your like hands around here and stuff, or like even here, and of course, but like don't lean in too much. with your head, because like then some like you know if like I don't know some speckles drop from your hair, and suddenly hits your pen nib as you're about to stroke, as you're about to like press down, you're gonna scratch your tablet. It just takes seriously just like one like micro thing to just fucking destroy your screen. And it's not really nice thing, because guess what, you know, people have these for a long time, and they like some people don't have them scratched because, well, they never like move them or anything, you know, they never just like carry them around. Also, I would heavily say, if you want to carry this in a very specific bag. For me, I don't have a very specific bag. I carry my laptop and my tablet, and I used to do it well, and 2 weeks ago I stopped, because my screen, like each time I would bring it somewhere, my screen would get scratched. I basically went to like a dorm, you know, to dorm with a bunch of kids and shit, you know, and it just happens. So look at this. Wow, oh my god, innovation. It's really good animation. So I hope that you watch this video fully. 6 minutes, man, 6 minutes. It's just 6 minutes. I will not edit this at all. It's just, I'm gonna just stop at the mark, and I'm just gonna put it out to YouTube. I'm gonna just do some things. I'm just gonna like type in like how to properly clean your tablet, or what to watch out for. Okay, see ya. Hold on, what is the gesture? Peace.